Hello and welcome. Now I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to show you my super secret passwords. Now I've got them in a file here, it's an archive, and it has the password 000. So let's type that in. Oh no, it looks like there are some errors. But why could that be? What's up with this archive? Now if we go into it, we can see that the file has this name with a bunch of kind of unknown characters at the end, and we get nothing from this. There's no passwords or nothing in here of interest. So let's actually take a look at how we can repair this archive in order to get us what we want. Now this is where a tool like 010 editor or 010, depending on what you call it, is extremely powerful. If I right click this and I open it with 010 editor, what we can actually see is that there are templates that can be used. Now templates are going to highlight the parts of the file in hexadecimal. So these are created by the community and you can install a lot more templates, but this is why it's super powerful. If we look at the zip template, we can already see that there is now an execution of that template that has occurred that has caused this result of -1 because it hasn't been able to pass through the entirety of the file. Now the reason is you can see that it's kind of come down here and considered this all part of one particular header. However, it's not structured in the way it should be. We can actually open this out and look at the file name signature to see the name that's assigned to it. So it looks like it is meant to be called supersecretpasswords.txt, and yet there's characters that are appended to the end of this. Now, that's because we actually store the length of the file name within the archive itself. So you can see here on this nice little Wikipedia page that at the offset 26, this has got the file name length. So that's actually saying this is the name of the file inside of it. So we could actually look at this and go, okay, that's the name of the file. We have the file name here and the file name length. What we actually want to do is change this back so that the value isn't as high as it is because we're getting this other appended data. Now, if we count the characters, supersecretpasswords.txt, we can actually highlight this. And down the bottom left, you can see that this is actually 18H. So the size that we want for this actual file name is simply 18. So if we find exactly where the file name size is defined, this makes it very powerful because you're actually seeing what the hexadecimal values correlate to, which is super awesome. So let's change this value back to what it should be. Instead of 2C00, we're actually looking at the 18 because that was the hexadecimal value, and we're going to go ahead and save that. Now, if we close the program and we try once more with the archive, we try to extract it, we'll find that it's no longer corrupted. We're not getting those errors in the header. And now we put in our secret password of 000, and now we actually have the TXT file. Now, unfortunately, I'm not silly like that. I haven't stored my passwords in that TXT file. Hopefully this was a bit of an informative presentation to show how you can use 010 editor or 010 editor, depending on what you call it, in order to extract relevant information from files and repair them based on the header that they should have. Let me know what you think. It's just a short video. Leave your comments in the section below.